Hello, welcome to the video. So let's solve next two questions of Math Kangaroo 2023 level 3-4. So this is question number 21. Let's read it. Adam has 9 marbles and Brenda has also has 9 marbles. Together they have 8 white and 10 black marbles. Brenda has twice as many black marbles as white marbles. How many black marbles does Adam have? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6, option E 0. Okay, let's first highlight the keywords. So, how many marbles Adam has? 9. And Brenda also has 9 marbles. Together they have 8 white and 10 black marbles. Now, this line is really important. Brenda has twice as many black marbles as white marbles. We need to find how many black marbles Adam has. Okay, so what we can do is we can make a table here. Okay, so this is Adam's column. Yes, this is Adams and this is Brenda's column. Okay. Now the total number of marbles which both of them have is Adam has 9, Brenda has 9, out of which, okay, 8 white and 10 blacks. Brenda has twice as many black marbles as white marbles. Okay, let's understand this here. So this is Brenda's column. We are talking about Brenda. So she has twice as many black marbles as white. What does it mean? So let's say Brenda has two white marbles. So she will have twice of two as black marbles, which will be 4. This line means whatever the number of white marbles Brenda has, black marble is double of it. So we will just double of it. Okay. So let's assume over here Brenda has X number of white marbles. Now this X could be anything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, if it is x, we need to find double of x as black marbles. So what will be double of x? X plus s, or you can just multiply x with 2. So it will be 2x. Okay. And when we add the number of white marbles and black marbles Brenda has, it is 9. Okay. So we will just add this as well. So the equation which we have after doing this calculation is x plus 2x equals 9. Right? Here you can see x plus 2x is 3x equals 9, x equals 9 divided by 3 equals 3. It means the number of white marbles which Brenda has is 3 and number of black marbles which Brenda has is 2 times of 3, which is 6. Okay, now let's discuss it over here. So Brenda has 6 black marbles. We need to find how many black marbles does Adam have. Okay, so we need to find the black marbles which Adam have. Okay, so it would be total number of black marbles, which is 10, minus the number of marbles, the black marbles which Brenda has is 6. So 10 minus 6 would be 4. It means Adam has 4 black marbles. So option B 4 is correct. Let's understand this in detail over here. You can see the number of marbles Brenda has is 9, out of which black is 2x, white is x, and when we solve it, we'll get the value of x as 3, which means 3 white marbles and 6 black marbles. Now out of 10 black marbles which Adam has plus 6, so out of 10, 6 marble is with Brenda. So we will Adam will have only 4 marbles. So Adam has 4 black marbles. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 22. Let's see this. Elsie has two machines, R and S. If she puts a square piece of paper into machine R, it is rotated. So this is the paper, this is the machine. If she put this paper here, this is rotated. That means this piece of paper, this point or this dot will move here. So you can see this, what this machine is doing, it is rotating it 90 degrees. 90 degrees means earlier it was here, it moved to here. Okay. If she puts the piece of paper in machine S, it is printed on like this. So earlier, if this piece we are putting in S, we will have this print. So it is nothing doing nothing but it is just putting one this type of print in the paper. She wants to produce the following picture, this one. In which order does Elsie use the two machines so that she gets this picture? Now this is the order. She is using machines three times. The options are SRR, RSS, RSS, RSR, RRS, SRS. Okay, so let's just try to understand this over here. Okay, so what is happening? Let me just enlarge this one. We have three machines here. We need to see which option is correct. So it could be S or R, SR, SR. Okay, we have this image starting and this is the last image. Now let's first write down over here what these machines are basically doing. So R is doing rotating a 9 at 90 degrees. Okay, and S is doing nothing but it's just adding this type of shape in the paper, right? Which is in forward. Now here you can see earlier we had this image and at the end we have this one. And here this shape is rotated. Actually S can put only this shape, but this shape is rotated. It means it has to be R. Okay, R means why I'm saying R? Because earlier it is this image. Now if we rotate it, we'll get this image. So let's see what image we could have at this point. So it has to be this image like this, and this dot will be over somewhere here. Okay, so it means we just rotated it 90 degrees, and now after moving from R can just rotate 90 degrees, so we will get this one. Now again you can see, you can just observe this image with the first one. We had this dot here, now it moved to this one. So it just moved one step over here. That means one of them has to be R, either this one or either this one. Okay, so let's assume this is R. So before R, what image we could have? Okay, so let's just write it in the same manner as we are writing the numbers. Okay, so before R, we need to rotate it backwards. Okay, so it has to be in this shape. And this will become over here. Then only we'll put in R and then we will get this one, right? We are just moving it in this manner. So here you can see, okay, let's assume this is the correct one. So here we have dot at the same place. But if this is S, then we can have only this shape, but this is tilted one. We can't have tilted shape in S. So this cannot be the case. R cannot be here. This is incorrect. R can be in this place. Okay, let's try to do this. So if we are putting R here, this will move here. So we will just draw the card or paper here. And instead of this, it will move here. So we'll get this over here. So what I did is I had this paper, I put it in R machine. R is doing what it is doing. It is just rotating it 90 degrees. And now we got this one. Now, if you compare this with this one, we can clearly see dot is a same place. We just need this image printed over here. And how we can do this by putting it in S machine. So if we will put it in S machine, we will just have this part shaded. So this is how we can solve this. So here, what is the answer? R, S, R. Let's see where is the correct answer. It is R, S, R. Option B is correct one. Let's see in detail in the next slide. So this is what R is doing. This is what S is doing. To use the use to use the two machines to get the final output. So we need to use these two machines like this. So first we are putting it into R, we'll get this one. Now we are putting it into S, we'll get this one. Now we are putting into R and we'll get this one. So R S R, option B is correct here. Okay, thank you.